Alrighty then, let's install the nose on the race car. Okay, now let's install the window net. Got the window net right here. The bottom part, it's got a couple cotter pins. You can see them sticking out right there. So this bottom tube goes in these holes right here. And simply slide the cotter pin through. On both outside edges of the tab. And simply bend the ends around. You get the cotter pins ends bent around, be sure to point them away from the driver. This is actually a pretty simple deal. It's got a spring-loaded end right here. Goes in a tab up in here, which you can't see, it's kind of behind the bodywork. And then there's like a little lever here for the driver to grab. Of course, it'll be pointed to the inside. And that way you can pull it back and forth. Hooks in there. Pull it back. There you go. One window net install. Now we'll throw the door on. You can see what it looks like with the door on. Now you can see with the door on, put the window net in like so. So the driver can either drop the window net inside like that, or flip it outside the door like that. All right, that's it for now. See you next time.